Okay, so the rowing cycle is finished and here it is in all its glory. There's little more to do with it apart from take it a spin around the car park, which I'll do in a minute. But I wanted to point out a few things first. I mean, it was a rowing cycle, so it was meant to have resistance when you actually rowed it. And what that meant was I had to turn all these pulleys around to lower the amount of torque I had to apply in order to get this thing moving. Here's the kiddie's cog that we were talking about. There's other bits of the kiddie's bike on here. And I've taken it down to a drive chain here, and there's the pedal for the kiddie's bike right there. Welded that on, and a drive chain to the rear wheels. Now, I've had this out before. The steering takes about 2 or 3 minutes to get used to, and you're off. It's huge fun, actually, and been a really cool project. Now, I did think one of the times there I said, oh, just weld this on. I've got a little blasé about welding. How about that? Because 6 months ago, I couldn't weld. And really, that's a lot of the point of these projects. Just give them a go and see how you go. Anyway, let's take this for a spin. To my mind, it's an awesome thing. Okay, it moves, albeit a little slowly. Now, when I first got on it and I left the pulleys in the same way around as they were in the rowing machine, I actually couldn't physically move it. As hard as I could pull that, I couldn't move the thing. So I geared it very low, and it could be I went a little too far with that. If I play with those gears some more, we should be able to get that to go faster, almost as fast as a normal push bike, I would think. But I could have overdone it on that one. Anyway, at least the thing moves, so the proof of concept that it works is actually done, which I'm pleased about. Got to do something else with it. I might actually introduce those gears to get some real speed out of it, or I might do something else, because that pull band with the spring is the kind of motor. And you're the motor, obviously, you pull that pull band. Now, it did occur to me to replace that. But I think adding gears to get a little more speed out of it might be an idea, because we did crawl around that car park. The first section is real time. The section that fades and the second bit is double speed. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching.